Hello everybody, Greg Stager here, your K-12 tech guy, with a video to show you how to customize your Quick Access Toolbar. Now, the Quick Access Toolbar is this little space up here in the corner where you've got a few icons, and right now we've got a save and an undo and a redo by default. And the idea is that I can place icons for commands that I use frequently and have them at my fingertips regardless of what tab I might be on. You see, right now I'm on the Home tab, and as I switch to the different tabs here, I get different commands available to me, but the ones that are in the Quick Access Toolbar are always present. So if there's something that I use frequently, I may not want to jump around from tab to tab and try to find it within the ribbons. I can stay on the one tab, or even as I do jump around, the commands are always going to be right here if I use them a lot. And right now I'm using Word, and just so you know, the same procedure that we're going to walk you through here is also going to work for Excel or PowerPoint or Publisher or Outlook, the Microsoft products that have the Quick Access Toolbar. This process would work the same way. So let's show you how to customize this just for you. Right up here we have this little down arrow caret, and you see the tooltip pops up. It says Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Let's go ahead and click on that. We get this little drop down. Now you see we've got Save, Undo, and Redo are checked, which are the ones that are up here now. And there are a few other very popular items that you can quickly select right from here. But wait a minute, there's a lot more features and functionality in Word than just these few things. That's right. So, suppose there's something that you want to add to that Quick Access Toolbar that's not in this list. We're going to go to More Commands, and we get a new box that pops up here. And you can see there's quite a few commands to choose from now. In fact, if we change our drop-down box from Popular to All Commands, you'll see that the size of this list really increases. So let's try to find something here that we might use a lot and add it to our Quick Access Toolbar. So let's say I'm an English teacher and I have students submitting essays to me all the time, and one of the ways that I provide feedback to them is to insert comments onto the work that they've submitted so that they can make changes and improvements on their work. So what I want to do is add the Insert Comment icon command to my Quick Access Toolbar. So I find that in my list here, Insert Comment, there it is. I highlight that and I choose Add, and you see it pops up over here. Then I can choose OK, and look, the little icon for Insert Comment shows up on the toolbar. So when I click that, I immediately am able to add my comment and move on with my work. And see, the thing is, if I'm switching my page layout, or if I'm doing something else with mailings or references or design or what have you, my comment command is always present at the top for that quick access, so I don't have to constantly jump back and forth. And that's the idea, is that you have the ability to customize the tool to make it work best for you. Now the procedure is the same for removing icons. If you decide you don't need it anymore, go to the drop down, choose More Commands, highlight the one you want to remove, click Remove, and hit OK, and we see now that the icon has disappeared from that Access Toolbar. So I hope that this was helpful for you, that it helps you to be able to customize your work interface to make life just much quicker and more efficient, and the applications can do what you want them to do. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.